Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Dengue NS1 Ag test kit. You can see this here, ichroma Dengue NS1 antigen test kit. You can see. So this is the reference part number CFPC-62, and you can see the lot number is mentioned here, and the manufacturing date and the expiry date is given. Then you can see it's made in Korea from Boditech Made in Corporation, and this is CIVD certified product, and it has stored in room temperature 25 test kit pack. We can see the intended use given here. Ichroma Dengue NS1 Ag is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of NS1 dengue virus non-structural protein 1 antigen in human whole blood serum plasma during dengue virus infection. It is useful as an aid in screening and of yearly dengue virus infection. So this is a 25 test kit box. So in this box contains like 25 cartridges, 25 detector tube, 1 detector diluent, 1 ID chip, 1 insertion for use manual. I'll just show you around the box. You can see this is manufactured from Boditech Made in Corporation, Korea. I'll just keep this here so you can see the box. I'll just open this box for you. So inside the box you can see here you go. So there is one IFE brochure. You can see this says it's infection ichroma Dengue NS1. So you have this IFE brochure. You can see this. There's a 3/4 sheet. It has the intended use, principles, components, and all the warnings and precautions to be taken, and the key informations. And you can see the storage and stability. You have the sample collection and processing, test setup, test procedure, interpretation of the test results, quality controls, and performance characteristics. So you have the complete details to complete the test. So this IF is good enough for you to go through and understand and fix the parameters and complete this test. So inside you can see there is another pouch. This pouch has says ichroma Dengue NS1 Ag detector tube. So this is the 25 pieces of the detector tubes. You can see there is it says 25 numbers. Can be stored in the room temperature with the lot number is mentioned, and the expiry date is also mentioned. So let me keep this here. And then you can see inside there is one detector diluent. Let me go through closely. Ichroma Dengue NS1 antigen detector diluent, which has also mentioned the lot number and also the expiry date here. You can see this here. Okay, this has to be used for all the 25 test kits. And further, if you go, there is one ID chip. Okay, you can see it says ID chip Dengue NS1, lot number is mentioned. This is the ID chip. And there are 25 cartridges here. You can see the 25 cartridges. Just pull two for you. I'll just keep this here. You can see this here. It says ichroma Dengue NS1. And the lot number is mentioned, and the expiry date is also mentioned. The back side has the certification body imprint. Okay. Just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Dengue NS1 antigen test kit. In the 25 test kit pack, you get one IFU brochure. You can see the 25 test kit pack here. You get one IFU brochure and 25 pieces of detector tubes in a pouch, and detector diluent liquid, and 25 cartridges here, and then one ID chip. Here you go. And here you go. Okay, thank you.